discussing how we can best support our children at school after there's been a parental separation. Yes, you should inform the school because of any administrative issues so that each of the parents will be informed. The teachers see your kids every single day so that they'll be able to notice if there are any changes in terms of their academic performance or their behaviors or in their social emotional well-being. Looking for unusual or different behaviors. Are they complaining about more headaches, stomach aches, or even not wanting to go to school? And in terms of their academics at school, are their grades lower? Are they lacking motivation? Are they forgetting about their homework? Keep those lines of communication open with your child. Talk to them, inform them of what's going on. That might be difficult sometimes with adolescents, but look for organic opportunities. Cooperative co-parenting is when you shield your children from the realities of the negativity that could be happening within the relationship. It's making sure that the kids' well-being is at the center of everything you do. It is shared responsibilities, and remember, consistency is key. Have 2 copies of some of the academic supplies, pens, papers, dictionaries. Another tool that can be helpful is to recognize what works. What are the winning ways for your son or daughter with their homework, and keep that consistent between both households. For more tips and advice on this topic, visit the Alloprof Parents website.